I feel very happy because I used to be a team leaders as well, and I think this is international exposure for me. I got teams from so many countries in ASEAN, so I would love to learn from them and get another insights as well.
Refer to these references which will
I'm so excited to communicate our team members who has really incredible insights about these areas and these categories. I'm so happy to participate in this YCAFE.
It's my first time here. It's a memorable experience because I saw it firsthand how the car was made and able to see the safety precautions they are provided by their cars and how their cars functions. Every station has something different to offer. There's a lot of interesting experience.